Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your LG Gram laptop isn't turning on. So if you tried short pressing the power button in the top right corner of your laptop's keyboard and your laptop didn't turn on, most commonly it happens because your laptop is simply discharged and you should plug in the charging cable into one of the USB-C ports on the left edge of your computer. Of course, plug in the other side of the cable into the AC adapter and plug in the AC adapter into the power outlet. And then let your laptop charge for about half an hour, and then press the power button to start it up. However, this won't work every time, and in case this didn't help you with your problem, then let's first of all check the cable and the AC adapter for connectivity issues, like check if they're firmly connected to each other, and also check for any visible damages on them, because they might be causing it. And now let's talk more about the AC adapter to this laptop. The AC adapter to this laptop looks like this, and from what I can see right here, it provides the laptop with 45 watts of power. However, if you are not using an original one and you're using a substitute, then I highly recommend using a 65 watts of power adapter, since this is what I saw in the computer's battery battery information. The battery on this laptop is generally has the capacity of around 62 to 65 watts, and uses around up to 65 watts of power per hour. So if you are using, so I suppose that this battery is somehow has somehow stabilized charging. Somehow stabilized its charging with the laptop, since it's the original one. Maybe they have their own technology on how they manage the power providing to your computers. So yeah, once again, as I said, if you are using a substitute one, make sure that the substitute AC adapter provides your computer with at least 65 watts of power. Now, the AC adapter may not be the only problem. Maybe it's the battery in your laptop. If your laptop was exposed to either extremely hot or extremely cold temperature before you started using it, that could have damaged the hardware of your computer. And in such case, first of all, let your computer rest for about half a day to let it basically recover from the damage, and only then plug in the charging cable to your computer, let it charge, and then try turning it on once again. And even if after that your laptop didn't start working, then maybe your laptop is simply drained. And if it's fully drained, if the capacity is not enough to power your PC, then contact the LG customer support service and send your laptop to them for repair, or just head to the nearest repair center and let them take care of your laptop. And so that's basically it. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.